So class 4, now we will understand what is reasoning and problem solving. Reasoning is a stepwise thinking which we have done earlier, we have discussed, with a definite purpose or goal in mind. Means we are thinking about the various steps and we have a proper goal in our mind. It can be our exams, or it can be our birthday party, or it can be any other activity in which we have done stepwise thinking. It is a form of logical thinking. Means there is logic behind every steps. You just cannot decide on the venue and just invite the friends. You have to decide the intermediate things as well. You have to take the steps to ensure that your party is a success party. It aims at achieving a specific goal. Means it is always, whenever we are doing stepwise thinking, we have a specific goal, a very defined and a particular goal in our mind. At that time only we will do this stepwise thinking. Problem solving is a skill. It is a skill. It is not easy to define a goal and to go about it. It is a skill that we need to brush on or to practice, and a process that helps you to solve a problem. Means it is a process. You are taking various steps in this process to solve a particular problem. Problem means any task that you have taken in your hand. Once you have learned it, you can use it anytime you want. The best thing about this skill is that when you have learned it, when you know how to do the planning and to accomplish tasks, you can use it anytime. You can use it in big activities as well as small activities. Like suppose later on you will plan for your career. At that time it will be helpful, and even if you are planning to learn a small activity like riding a bicycle, at that time also it will help you. It involves taking a number of steps which we have defined earlier, that these are the steps we will take while planning for any activity. So this was all about the chapter. Okay, this you can do as a homework, as a practice homework in your rough copy, making a list of activities in which you can follow stepwise thinking. We have discussed about 3 activities, that is taking up exams and a birthday party, okay, and here it is riding a bicycle. So you can think about more activities where you can go for stepwise thinking, like cooking of food, okay, or preparing a presentation, that way. This case study is almost like I have discussed about birthday party, so you will read it on your own. Okay, I can ask you questions related to it, and this also you will mark it as important. Do you know a computer can only work using step by step instructions from us? Why we have learned all this stepwise thinking, reasoning, planning? Because when we are working on computer, it can only work using step by step instructions from us. If we will skip any step, we will not be able to accomplish our task in the computer. Like let's say take the simple example of drawing anything. Okay, so for that you need to open the system, then you need to open the paint application in that. Okay, you need to choose the correct tool, your mouse should be working properly, you should have the knowledge where you can find the colors, where you can find the various tools, and then only you can start drawing. If you will miss any step out of these, you will not be able to draw a particular picture. And same thing is applicable for all the applications of computer. So it is very difficult, so it is very important that you use this stepwise planning while working on computer and even in your day-to-day life. Okay, thank you children. We will discuss the exercises in the next period. You will do the back exercises on your own. Okay, these back exercises you will try to do on your own, MCQs and filling the blanks, and we will discuss question answers in the next period. Thank you.